In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo and recover task changes in Asana. We've all been there, editing a task, moving it to a different section, or even deleting it, only to realize a moment later that it wasn't the right move. The good news is that Asana gives you a quick way to reverse many actions and a reliable path to recover your work, even if the quick option disappears. Here's how to do it smoothly and confidently. Start by making the change you intended in Asana. This could be something like updating a task's name or due date, moving it to another section or project, or deleting a task you thought you no longer needed. Make the change as you normally would. Right after you do that, keep an eye out for the small undo message or pop-up that appears on your screen. It usually shows up along the bottom edge of the Asana window and stays visible for a few seconds. This banner is your fastest safety net. If you realize you want to reverse the change, click undo right away. Many common actions like edits, moves, and deletions can be instantly rolled back with a single click. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can often use the standard undo shortcut on your computer as well, but the on-screen undo button is the most obvious and reliable cue. If that undo option disappears before you click it, don't worry. Your next move is to locate the item using search or task history. Use the search bar at the top of Asana and type part of the task's name, the project name, or the assignee. Sorting by most recent activity can help surface items you just changed. When you open the task, look at its activity or history feed on the right side. This timeline shows what changed and when, which makes it easier to pinpoint the exact update you need to reverse. Once you've found the task, restore or manually change it back to its previous state. If the task was deleted and you see a restore option, click it to bring the task back. If the task still exists, but was edited or moved, open it and manually reset the fields. Put it back into the correct project or section, fix the title or description, and reapply the right assignee and due date. Finally, double-check the project to confirm the correction was applied. Return to the project's list or board, refresh if needed, and verify the task appears where you expect with the right details. That's it. Your work is safely back on track.